Morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Kim in Jamaica. So, guys, it's all about Malakai. Malakai going to school. He's 1 year. That is, guys. And he's such a brilliant child. His teachers love him, guys. Love him. They say he doesn't give trouble in class. Just a nice little boy, sits all day. Guys, when he's at home, oh my god, he's here in the place. Like, seriously. So, guys, I'm gonna let you see him in his uniform walking. I don't like much walking though, guys, but hopefully get him. So, guys, we're waiting on a cab. Hopefully we get one soon because I'm late for work. Guys, our journey to school at Malakai. Guys, hope you guys get to meet his teacher, see a bit in his class. Then maybe having devotion at this moment, guys. So not sure if I'm gonna be able to get much of him in class. And also, guys, our birthdays are coming up. Birthdays are coming up, guys. He's so witty. Hands are popping off. My nephew's birthday is the 13th. My niece is on the 17th. Romario's, my son, is on the 26th, and mine is on the 29th, guys. So we're accepting gifts, and we're keeping a party on the 19th. Yes, guys, we're keeping a marriage party, guys, so we need gifts and all of that. We need birthday wishes. Yeah, next update, guys, the cast come off Ronaldo's foot, so Ronaldo is back in school. Thanks be to God, yeah. So, alright, those are the updates, guys. So, guys, you're gonna see Malakai walking in his uniform. He's such a brilliant boy. Brilliant 1-year-old, guys. He'll be 2 in June. So I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing for his birthday. But I wanna take Romario to Dolphin Cove. Maybe say he wanted a phone for his birthday. Hopefully I can get him that phone. For me now, probably just go dine because my birthday is on a Wednesday and I'm gonna be working. So guys, I'm not sure I'll be going anywhere. So yeah, that is that for the birthday. Counting down days, guys. Oh my god. This way. I'm like so tired, guys. So tired, but I had to stop at work first, guys, because I'm late. So I had to go clap my card before I bring him to school, guys. He's playing a bit shy right now, guys. It's been a bit. Malakai off to school in his uniform, guys. Look at my son, guys, at 1 year 9 months, going to school, learning, counting, singing every day. Hi, Najee. Say hi. See your friend there. Naj. Naj, see your friend there. My climb hill door. Tell him later. So guys, Malakai is going to class. He's being, how you know, guys, shy. He cries sometimes, not every day. Some mornings, guys. Good morning. Go and see Teacher's pet. So guys, here's Malakai's teacher, Miss Williams.
Malakai teacher.
Such a great son, eh? And Miss Shaninoya's my last name, you know? Henry. And Miss Henry. So this is Malakai's class, guys. So stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye, Malakai. Love you, baby. So guys, that's that for Malakai at school. Because can't stay for long, just have to drop him off, guys. And leave. You guys, see, he didn't cry this morning. He's such a nice little boy. Oh my god. Guys, he cried the first 3 days, and then after that, he becomes teacher's baby. Whenever I took him and his teacher said, come baby, just can't him teacher, guys. Yeah, so teacher's pet. Until him start rude and tear down the whole place. So as I was saying now, guys, our birthdays are coming up and we have plans and plans and plans. So hopefully we have a good birthday, good or great. Yeah, hopefully we can. So I may be going to Tiki Tail in St. Anne's, guys. That's a new top restaurant. Or Hip Strip in Port Antonio, or Roots 21 in Port Antonio, guys. Just maybe. If I have a drive, I'll be going to Ochi Rice on that evening after work. Because I'll be leaving work at 5, so yeah, guys, I would be going to Ochi Rice after. If I don't have a drive, then I may be going to Roots 21 or Hip Strip in Port Antonio. So that's for now, guys. Love you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, invite new subscribers, guys. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.